Alright, what's up YouTube? Back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to do inverted yaw spin. So let's just get into it. The first thing you want to do is go up, flip halfway. That's just a regular back flip halfway. Once you got that and you're feeling like you're level, see how the horizon line was pretty level? Show you again. See that? See how the horizon line was pretty level? Once you got that down and you feel really comfortable with that, then you just add a little bit of a yaw spin. See, that was off. So that wasn't my best. So you go like that. And you kind of roll out of it. I roll out of it. A lot of people flip out of it. See that? See how it wasn't, the horizon wasn't level? So there you go. See how that horizon was level and you just spun out. So you added a little bit of yaw. So you go up, back flip, and then add a little bit of yaw. You can start off increments like that, little tiny steps, baby steps like that. So you go up. And always get some altitude too. Altitude helps in the beginning. So you just kind of go up, flick it back, yaw spin, and then roll out. So I'm not going all the, I'm coming back, so I'm doing a full yaw, but I'm just rolling back out of it. So there's another one. Let's try to get a good one for you guys. So you go up. There we go. So yeah, it just takes time. It just start off with that first step. The first step of just going up, getting it like that, getting the horizon in the shot. Once you get that leveled out, then you can just add a little bit of yaw at a time and then flick back out, down, flick back out. So I don't flick out, I usually roll out. I flick into it and then roll out because it just gives it a nice little twirl. There we go. And then once you get comfortable with that, then you can do half yaws and rotate back around. So you can go like this, and then you can rotate like that. You can do all sorts of stuff, but yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. I hope that helped. Just go up, flick back, spin, roll out. That's all it is. So once you get smooth with it, it'll become easier and easier. You can get lower and lower, higher and higher, whatever. So you go up, flick, spin, roll. That's all it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.